everyone, my name is Bertie and today let us talk about adaptations in animals. This is an important aspect of their survival. What is adaptation? Adaptation means the change by which an organism or species becomes better suited to its environment. Animals live in three environments. They are air, water, and land. They have to adapt based on the environment, and each animal looks different due to their various adaptations. What is camouflage? Camouflage is an important type of adaptation wherein an animal can merge with the surroundings. The uses are: the predator uses camouflage to hide from the prey to spring a surprise attack, and the prey hides from the predator to save its life. Let us learn about hibernation and aestivation. Hibernation is a prolonged period of time during the winters wherein animals sleep. These animals belong to places where the climate is very cold. They sleep in warm, hot places. Aestivation, on the other hand, is a prolonged period of time during the summers wherein animals sleep. These animals belong to places where the climate is very hot and they sleep in cool, shady places. The similarities are that in both cases, animals sleep for a very long time and have to eat a lot before hibernating or estivating. Let's have a look at the adaptations of animals in the polar regions. Polar bears. Polar bears have white fur. This is a camouflage for them as it merges with the snow. They have sharp claws for walking and catching prey, and flipper-like paws for swimming. They have a small tail and ears to stop heat from escaping. They hibernate during the winter months. Penguins. Penguins have flipper-like wings for swimming. They have webbed feet for walking, and this is because the ice or glaciers which they walk on is very slippery. Streamlined bodies help them to swim very fast, and they can go up to speeds of 15 miles per hour. Their beaks have stiff spines, helping them hold their prey, which is mostly fish, firmly. Now, from the polar regions, let's go and visit the deserts. Camel is called as the ship of the desert. Let's have a look at some of its adaptations. Camels have long eyelashes which protect them from the frequent sandstorms. They have slit nostrils and these can open and close. These help them to protect themselves from the sand. They can survive for a long time without water and food, and they have thin fur to have heat loss. Did you notice that polar bears have thick fur to keep the heat in, whereas the camels have thin fur to help in heat loss? It's question time. I have a question. How do camels survive for a long time without any water? Well, I found out. It is said that camels can survive for 6 to 7 months without water. But how? Well, this is where the humps of the camel come in. The humps of the camel store fat, and the camel later on extracts water from this fat. That is why camels can drink 200 liters of water in one go. Now let's dive underwater. So, what are the adaptation of most fish or underwater creatures? All underwater creatures have streamlined bodies, as shown in this image of a shark. As they breathe in water, they have gills in place of lungs, and they have fins for swimming. Now, let us look up into the air. Birds. Most birds can fly because of their hollow bones. This makes them very light. Birds also have streamlined bodies, and feathers help them fly. They have long flight feathers and tail feathers, which help them to balance and steer their flight. And they have large chest muscles, which help them to flap their wings. It's quiz time. Can you answer these questions? What is a body with a tapering end called as? A. Hibernation. B. Fish body. C. Streamlined body. Are you ready with your answers? Let's have a look at the solution. That's right. It's called as a streamlined body. We have our second question. What organs do fish breathe with? A. Lungs. B. Gills. C. Skin. Ready? Let's have a look at the answer. Fish breathe with gills. Now, which of the following adaptations do camels not have? A. Flippers. B. Long eyelashes. C. A hump. Let's have a look at the answer. The answer is A. Flippers. Camels have long eyelashes and humps, but they certainly don't have flippers. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any suggestions or questions, don't hesitate to put it down in the comment box. Until the next session, bye.